What's up, IT Ninjas? Hit the like and subscribe button if you have not done so. Just takes a second and really helps out the channel. Today we're going to take a look at installing updates on the OBS Studio app. OBS Studio is a free open source application for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, designed for real-time video recording and live streaming. Considered one of the best, if not premier, free tools for live streaming and screen recording. To check your current version, go to Help About. We are on 30.1.2. Opening the app, you might see this message, but to check updates manually, go to Help, check for updates. We'll see that the latest version at this time of the video is 32.0.4. We'll click Update Now. Click through the USC prompt. When the status says Update Complete, click Launch OBS. Just a quick check. We are indeed on the latest version. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this information was helpful. Running updates on the OBS Studio app in the comments. See you in the next video, and let's Ninja fix it.